Hi guys, back with another maths video today. In this video I'm going to show you how to work out the nth term. Now to show you how to work out the nth term is really difficult actually, especially in under 5 minutes, but I'm going to try my best. So, basically when you work out the nth term, what you're doing is you're working out a rule which will help you work out the next number in a sequence. Now, here in my example, okay, I can see that it's 5, 11, 17, 23, and then a missing number and a missing number. Okay? Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to create a little table like I have done below. Okay? Now, the term means the number in the sequence. Okay? So there's number 1 in the sequence, number 2 in the sequence. So term 1 would be 5, because that's the first number in the sequence. Term 2 would be 11. Term 3 is 17, 23. Then what I need to try and figure out is there a pattern? Okay, I can see that between these two numbers, term 1 and term 2, it's plus 6. Between term 2 and term 3, it's plus 6 again, and it's plus 6 again. So that must mean, surely, that the 5th term in this sequence is 29. And the 6th term must therefore be 35 as well. Okay? Now, once you've done that, you take this number here, okay, so it's 6, okay, it says plus 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that number, 6, and then I'm going to write n next to it, okay, 6n, okay, and what 6n means, it means 6 multiplied by the number in the sequence you want to find, okay, or the term. So if I wanted to find out the third number in the sequence, okay, it would be 6 times 3. If I wanted to find out the fourth, it'd be 6 times 4. Okay? So we're just going to leave that there. Now, once you've done that, okay, we might need to make an adjustment. So let's go on to term 1. So if I do 6 multiplied by 1, because I want to find, I'm going to pretend that I don't know what the first term is. We know it's 5, but I'm going to pretend that we don't. Okay? So 6 multiplied by 1 would give me 6, okay? But I know that the term is 5. So how do I turn 6 into 5? I take away 1, don't I? Okay? So that would be 6 multiplied by the term would give me 6, and then take away 1 would give me 5. Okay? And that's what we want. Now let's see if this rule works for term 2 and term 3. So let's go on to term 2. So it's 6 multiplied by the term, which is the n number. So that would be 12. But I need 11, not 12. So what do? I take away 1. So yes, it works for that one. Let's try number 5 now. Term number 5. Okay, let's see if it works there. So, term number 5. 6 multiplied by the number, which our number this time is 5. That gives me 30. And if I take away 1, I get 29. So this term works. Here's another example. So I've already written the first 3 numbers in my sequence into my table here, 11, 19, 27. So can I establish a pattern here? So that's plus 7. This is plus, oh no, sorry, it's not plus 7, it's plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Okay, so, as I showed you in the first part of the video, you take this 8, you write n next to it, 8n, okay, and then we need to figure out if we need to make an adjustment. So, if I take 8 multiplied by the term here, 1, I get 8. But 8 and 11 are quite far away, so what do I have to do to turn this 8 into the 11? Well, I need to add 3, don't I? Okay? Now let's see if that rule works for term 2. So 8 multiplied by the term, which is 2 in this case, is 16. And 16 to 19, I need to add 3, don't I? Okay, so that would make 19, so yes, it works. So now I've found out that my formula works, can I work out now missing 4th, 5th, and 6th terms? So, if I take 8, and I multiply by the term 4 here, 8 times 4 is 32, and then add 3 to this number, and that would be 35. And I can check this. So, is 27 add 8 35? Yes, it is. Now I can go on to the next one. So 5. So 8 times by 5 equals 40. Add 3. 43. Is 35 add 8 43? Yes, it is. As I said at the beginning of the video, trying to explain how to work out the nth term is really hard to do, especially on the computer like this. I hope that this video has helped you just a little bit. If it has, please leave me a thumbs up down below. And if you would like to see more maths videos, then please click the link in the top left-hand side of the video, and that would subscribe you to the channel. Thank you for watching.